Yeah, actually most of we are is what do you call OmegaCube has that configurator, and we are at least implementing at least two products right now. We got screen and wash press. It's standardized, bill of materials. So those two products, as soon as the order goes to the engineering drafting, they can release the job within like a couple of days because it's a standardized thing, And we are trying to do this implementation. Like I said, we got too many products. So we are going to catch one at a time and we are going to go that direction. So because we have to do it to improve ourselves and increase the efficiency. We know that, We said we know where we were and we know that future look bright with OmegaCube right now.